What happened, Yunel?
No, they won't go with me.
What?
No, they don't want to go with me.
Why? Where's Daddy going?
To Zone, of course.
How about you?
Yes.
You wanna go with your daddy?
Yes.
You're not allowed tomorrow.
Oh.
Only mommy and daddy will go to Salem tomorrow.
What about
You
me?
will stay here with Ate Krisha, Baby Hope, Ate Anita, and then the Kuyas, and then the friends.
But I want to.
But you're not allowed. I told you that already.
When I
Okay.
need something to buy.
Daddy will buy. What is that? What are you going to need to buy?
I have an idea.
What is your idea?
I will go to the city.
I told you. Tomorrow, you're not allowed. You will go there with only mommy and daddy.
Please. Please. Apple.
Okay?
But I'm a dear.
You know, even if you cry, you cannot do this. You will stay. You will go back, man. Mommy and daddy will come back now. And then we will pray. I will buy you a present. Okay?
I'll look at the toys.
But I will buy it for you. I will bring it home. But you don't have to go with us, okay?
But why
I told you, you're not allowed.
Because you're only 5 years old. You're still 5 years old?
Not yet. And now I want to go too.
Oh, how old are you now?
I need that to go.
Only 6 years old are allowed. Not the 5 years old. You're only 5. When you become 6, you can go with us now. What? Okay, you will go with us now. You will go with us now.
Yay! Yay!
Yeah, you hug daddy, hug daddy. And kiss daddy now. I love you.
Yay!
I love you.
I love you.
Okay, you will go with us tomorrow.
Yeah, okay.
But when daddy said, you're not allowed, you will not, huh? You will not go, okay? Only for tomorrow. Okay?
At the 311 days?
Yeah.
311 days?
Yeah.
But no 311 days or at
311.
we have to wait until we have to sleep for anything.
Yes, that's only for tomorrow. You will go with me and dad and mommy, okay? Next time you are not allowed anymore. Okay?
But I will look for you.
Of course we will come back, man.
And I said, where are you? I heard
And
it.
I will call you and I will say, here we are at Sawang only. We're at Sawang, you know. You have to wait. It's okay, it's okay. It's just
But I told you not to leave.
but we will go at Sawang. We have to buy something na that you are not allowed to go with
But
us.
I told you not to leave.
Okay, I will not leave you.
Ready?
Yes, I will. You
Yay.
hold daddy so daddy will.
Okay.
You hug daddy tight. Yeah.
Okay.